Alright guys, so we got this 2019 Chevy Silverado Z71 RST, and we're going to be replacing the backup lights, right? As you can see, they're halogen bulbs. It's kind of odd because this vehicle has everything pretty much LED already, but there's a couple lights that I guess they forgot to replace. I don't know why. But your reverse lights, your license plates, and your front turn signals are actually still halogen. So now we're working on the backup lights, right? So they're going to be using the T15s. And we're going to be using our LASFIT T15 bulbs in here, and they're going to be in white. And pretty much going to show you the whole process and how to get this replaced. It's pretty simple. All you got to do is pretty much remove these T15 torque screws. Okay, so it'll be 1, 2, and it's going to be the same thing on the other side. And once you remove these, you pretty much pull out the whole headlight. Okay, so let me get this started. Let me pull these off and get the headlight out. Okay. So pretty much, once you get these removed, guys, all you're gonna do is just pull back straight, okay? Don't try to bend it to the sides or anything like that. Just pull back straight. Pull off just like that. Okay. So I have disconnected the actual whole tail light. This is the T15 right here. So this is gonna be your reverse light. And this is your connection to the rest of your LED lights, okay? So all you have is just one bulb to replace. If you have the base model, I'm going to assume that there should be bulbs in here for your turn signals and brake lights, but I'm not sure, right? So don't quote me on that one. But this is the C71 RST. The whole tail light is LED pretty much. And that's where that plug goes. To remove this, make sure that before you just decide to pull it out, you pull this clip here, okay, the red one. You're gonna push it back out. So like that, it unlocks it, and then you just press in and you can pull it out. And then when you're done, make sure that you push it back in to lock it. It'll lock this from keeping it from coming out, okay? So I'm gonna put this to the side right now. Get our T15. Pull this out. Got your T15. There you go. Make sure it's all the way in. I'm going to test it real quick right now. And there you have it, guys. Okay. So at this point, we're going to put everything back together so we can show you a comparison of the halogen and the LED. Everything that you just saw turn red, that's pretty much all LED, okay? The only thing that's not, like I said again, is going to be your reverse light, which is the halogen you see over there right now, and then our LED that we just replaced. And at this point, guys, it's going to be the same procedure on the other side. Just remove those two screws, pull out the headlight, not the headlight, the tail light, and replace that bulb. Okay, so we'll get that done now. Alright guys, so we just finished installing the Silverado Z71 RST backup lights. These are going to be the T15s, as you can see, and this is pretty much the final results. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, please let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you out. And we'll catch you on the next video.